Our next topic we are going to cover is parabolas. When you look at a parabola is the graph that comes from graphing either y equals our ax squared plus bx plus c, a quadratic equation that is graphed, gives us the shape of a parabola. We will also see another version of this equation that is x minus h squared plus k. That'll take us doing a little bit of rearranging, but both of these are, if you can see, the x will end up squared. So both of these are different versions of how to write a quadratic, and both of them will give us the result of a graph of a parabola, this shape right here. On a parabola, we have a couple of features. A parabola can open up, which is this shape, or it can open down, which is this shape. If a parabola opens up, we remember from our transformations, this is going to happen when that a that is in the front of both of these equations is positive, we open up. But when that a is negative, remember everything flips upside down, so we will get this shape when a is negative. There are two other important features of a parabola. So this point right here that shows up at the as a relative maximum when the parabola opens down, and a relative minimum when the parabola opens up. These are called the vertex. That is the vertex of the graph, and it is the most important spot on a parabola. It tells us a lot of information most of the time. And then if we draw a vertical line straight through that vertex, this vertical line, you notice it splits the parabola perfectly in half so that this side and this side are exactly the same. If we had folded this paper, if we took this parabola and folded it in half along this line, you would get exactly the same thing and they would touch. So we call this line the axis of symmetry. And remember, that's the vertical line that goes through that vertex.